So over here you can see that I have this particular site right here, and let's say what I want to do is see how the site actually looks when other visitors visit it. So if I were to go around over here onto another web browser and type in the address, you can see that it actually says site title is coming soon right here. So the site is not launched yet. So what I need to do in order to actually go around and make it public is launch the site. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the site of the choice right here, and then go around onto settings under general, and over here you will be able to see the option launch site. So here it says your site hasn't been launched yet and it is hidden from the visitors behind coming soon notice until it is launched. So you need to go ahead and click on launch site right here, just like this. And once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go around and choose, let's say for example, sample tutor tube site right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this, and then I'm going to go ahead and select out the free plan right here. So now I'm simply going to go around and select out the free WordPress right here, just like this. I'm just going to skip the purchase because I don't want to buy any of it. So I'm just going to keep this plan right here, and it says your site will be live shortly right here. So once you go ahead and do that, and now if you were to go around onto the settings, onto the general right here, you don't see that anymore. That is because the site has now been launched. So now if I were to go around over here onto the other browser and then load this, now you can see that the site right here is actually launched just like this, and it is viewable by public. And that is how you can go ahead and launch site using wordpress.com. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.